All right, here we go. This is the DEERC 9206E. It's a 4x4 high-speed remote control car, 110 scale. Got off-road capability and LED lights, and it is DEERC. And we're gonna open this thing up. All right, so here we go. We've got all right, so that is a large car. Get the manual there. This thing's about, I don't know, about 14 or 15 inches long and about a foot wide. Looks like it's got some pretty awesome suspension, and it comes with a spare shell that I guess you can paint yourself. This thing looks really solid. We're gonna see what accessories it came with. Spare parts, charger, and like a trigger style remote with some setting choices. Okay, so the first thing is this sticker we noticed. It looks like there's actually a protective clear film on the car that we can peel off that will reveal its true finish. I'm gonna get this pulled off. So this car has a couple things I'm noticing. One is that it's you load the battery and stuff through the top. So there's these pins we're going to pull out, and then it looks like on the back there's a place to attach a spoiler, which it came with here. So I'm gonna get that on. One thing I like is this is there's no tools needed. It's all these push cotter pins to assemble it, which makes it very easy. Yeah, the car's charging. So I got the 4 pins here in the bottom, and now our spoiler is standing up. We're gonna get this on the car. All right, we got it totally built now, and we are ready to go charge it up and take it for a ride. So we've got the remote control turned on. The light has gone solid, which means it's been paired. The car is ready to go, and we'll test the steering here. It's got really nice servos. You can tell you can just move just the littlest amount. And then it's also got up here, it's got a trim for the steering, for the throttle, and this is actually the coolest. There's a trim for the amount of wheel steering that you have, so that you can sort of limit the amount of turning these do, which I've noticed on these cars. Sometimes they turn too much and then they flip upside down. So we're gonna go take this guy outside. Okay, so we've gone up on the throttle to about half. Woo!